Hi, my name is Jay from Sherway Nissan, and today I'm actually going to demonstrate on how to change your key fob battery. The first thing you have to do is take out the key that's located on the back of the key fob. And you're going to notice on here that there's going to be a couple of slots that is on the key fob, and you take your screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and it has to be pretty small, and you just basically pry it open. And the battery should just pop out. Okay? So once you put your new battery in, all you have to do is line it up, and then all you have to do is click it back into place, and you should hear a click, and then put your key back inside. And that's how you change a key in your key fob. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Jay at Sherway Nissan, where your way is a sure way.